Hello everyone, welcome back to our English class. How was your exam? How was your English exam, children? Is it very easy? Yes, very good, good children. Yes. Today we are going to learn a rhyme. Do you like rhymes? Yes, good children. Yes. So all of you open your textbook. English textbook. Then open page number 79. 79. Yes. What can you see in this picture, children? Tell me. Yes, what can you see in this picture? Yes. A girl, then a house, then a lamp. What is this? Lamp. Then a boy and again a house. And here we can see grass. Then here the brightening sun. Okay. Sun, girl, house, lamp and boy, then house, then grass. Is it clear all of you? Yes. This is Mary. Who is this? Mary. This is Mary and this is Mary's little lamp. What is little lamp? Mary and her little lamp. Shall we sing the rhyme? Are you ready, children? Yes. Mary had a little lamp. Mary had a little lamp whose fleece was white as snow. Yes. All of you sing loudly. Yes. Mary had a little lamp. Mary had a little lamp. Little lamp, little lamp whose fleece was white as snow. Look at the picture here. Yes. Mary had a little lamp. Mary had a little lamp. Little lamp, little lamp, Mary had a little lamp whose fleece was white as snow. Can you see the beautiful lamp? Yes. Mary had a little lamp. Mary had a little lamp. Little lamp, little lamp, Mary had a little lamp whose fleece was white as snow. Yes. And everywhere that Mary went, Mary went. Mary went, and everywhere that Mary went, the lamp was sure to go. Yes. Shall we sing once more? Yes. Mary had a little lamp, little lamp, little lamp. Mary had a little lamp whose fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went, Mary went. Mary went, and everywhere that Mary went, the lamp was sure to go. Yes, can you see here picture? Mary and her little lamb. Mary go to school and her little lamb followed her. Is it clear all of you? Yes. Mary had a little lamb, little lamp, little lamp. Mary had a little lamp whose fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went. And everywhere that Mary went, the lamp was sure to go. Yes, do you like it? Yes. Then all of you sing loudly. Okay? Yes. Mary had a little lamp, little lamp, little lamp. Mary had a little lamp whose fleece was white as snow. Yes, whose fleece was white as snow. Whose fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went. And everywhere that Mary went, the lamp was sure to go. Yes, very good. Good children. All of you clap your hands. Clap your hands, all of you, like this. Yes, very good. Once more, all of you listen here carefully. Yes. Mary had a little lamp. Mary had a little lamp. Little lamp, little lamp. Mary had a little lamb whose fleece was white as snow. Yes. And everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went, and everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. Yes. Do you all like it? Do you all like the rhyme? Very good. Good children. So all of you learn it from your home. Okay? Yes. Then all of you open page number. Yes. Page number 34. All of you open page number 34. We learned how many alphabets? 4 alphabets. A, B, C, D. Isn't it? Yes. And also we learned how to write capital letters and how to write small letters. A, B, C, D. Yes. Today we are going to do an exercise. Okay. All of you take out your crayons, your color pencil or crayons. Take out your crayons. Yes. Can you see this? All of you put on date here. Don't forget, put on date here. Yes, page number 34. Look at each picture. Color the correct letter. Look at each picture and color the correct letter. Yes. Look at the first picture, all of you. What is this? Tell me, children, what is this? Yes, apple. Very good. This is an apple. Yes. What is the beginning letter of apple? A or B? Yes. You have 2 options. Can you see? A in the circle, then B again in the circle. Yes. Yes. What is the beginning letter? A or B? Apple. A. Very good. Good children. So, you have to color this circle. Color A. Yes. Second. Next picture. Look at the next picture. Yes. Here. What is this? Tell me, children, what is this? Yes. Dog. Very good. This is a dog. Yes. What is the beginning letter of dog? D or B? Can you see? D or B? Tell me. D. Very good. D. The first circle here. Yes. So you have to color it neatly. Okay. In the circle. Then next picture here. What is this? Again. Yes, doll. Very good. Doll. What is the beginning letter of doll? D or A? Tell me. Yes, D. Very good. So you have to color D. Yes. Next, look at here. Look at here, all of you. What is this? Yes. Cap. Is it cap? No. This is a ball. What is this? Ball. What is the beginning letter of ball? C or B? Tell me, children. B. Very good. So you have to color B. Yes. Next. Here. What is this? Car. Very good. Car. What is the beginning letter of car? C. Very good. So you have to color C. Yes. Then here, what is this? Yes, cat. Very good. This is a cat. Then what is the beginning letter? C. Very good. So you have to color C. Yes. Then here, what is this? Balloon. Yes, balloon. What is the beginning letter? B or A? Yes, B. Very good. So you have to color B. Then the last picture, what is this, children? Yes, alligator. Yes. What is the beginning letter? D or A? A. Very good. So you have to color A. Is it clear, all of you? Any doubt? Yes, apple. Please say loudly. Apple, dog, doll, ball, car, cat, balloon, then alligator. Is it clear? Yes. Then all of you take page number 36 here. 36. All of you open page number 36. Yes. Cross the odd one. Cross the odd one. You have to cross. All of you take out your pencils and erasers. Then you have to cross the odd one. Okay. Yes. Odd one out. Yes. Look at the first box, all of you. Look at the first box. Yes. This box. Yes. Which letter is this? Yes. A. Letter A. This is capital letter A. Yes. And tell me, children, what is the odd one here? Yes. Look at here. How to write letter A? Yes, first right hand slanting line, then left hand slanting line, then a sleeping line. How to write letter A? Right hand line, slanting line, left hand slanting line, then sleeping line. And look at here. Is it A? No, very good. This is odd one here. This is odd one here. Look at this box only. And here, this one is odd one. This is A and this is and also this is A. This is odd one. So you have to cross mark it. Okay, cross mark it like this. Cross mark it, children. Yes, very good. Good children. The next box. Look at the next box. Yes. And read the letter. Letter B. Very good. B. And here B. Then here. This is not B. Yes, this is D. D. Okay. And here B. Yes. Then what is the odd one here? Letter D. Good children. Letter D. Yes. Others are B. Okay. And here this is letter D. So this is odd one. So you have to cross it like this. Yes. Next. Look at this box. Third box. Yes. This is a curve. Isn't it? A right hand curve. And this is C. Then again C and this is again C. Yes. What is the odd one here? Yes. This is not a C. So you have to cross it like this. Can you see, children? Yes. Then look at the last box. Yes. Read this letter D. Letter D. Yes. Also here letter D, then again letter D, and here this is letter B. Very good, letter B. So this is odd one. The last one is odd one. This is letter B and others are letter D.